What is a vehicle-mounted infrared thermal imaging lens? The vehicle-mounted infrared thermal imaging lens is a high-tech device that uses infrared thermal imaging technology to monitor the surrounding conditions of the vehicle. It can improve driving safety and the driver's perception of the surrounding environment, especially at night or in bad weather conditions, provide drivers with a better field of vision, and improve the driver's sense of security. Let's take a closer look at the vehicle-mounted infrared thermal imaging lens. Working principle of vehicle-mounted infrared thermal imaging lens. The vehicle-mounted infrared thermal imaging lens can generate thermal images or thermal images through the received energy and present them to the driver through the display. When the temperature of the surface of an object is different, the energy radiated is also different. Therefore, the infrared camera can measure the temperature of the surface of the object by receiving different light signals and display different temperature areas in different colors. Through it, the driver can see potential obstacles or pedestrians, animals, and other creatures on the road, and even under low illumination conditions. It can still better identify the buildings, tunnels, bridges, and other traffic facilities ahead. Scope of application of vehicle-mounted infrared thermal imaging lens. The vehicle-mounted infrared thermal imaging lens has obvious advantages at night or in bad weather conditions. At the same time, it can also provide drivers with a better field of vision for complex roads and potholes and bumpy roads. In comparison, vehicles equipped with infrared thermal imaging lenses can travel more safely in difficult terrains, such as forests, mountains, and deserts, because it can help drivers identify potential dangers that cannot be identified in dim light. Application scenarios of vehicle-mounted infrared thermal imaging lenses. Vehicle-mounted infrared thermal imaging lenses are currently mainly used in military, police, and special vehicles, but are also gradually being applied to ordinary vehicles to improve vehicle driving safety. At the same time, the lens is also used to monitor natural gas pipelines, power station energy consumption, and dust control. In the work of police and emergency rescue service personnel, the use of this infrared thermal imaging equipment can help find missing persons, discover potential threats, and rescue trapped people more quickly. In addition, vehicle-mounted infrared thermal imaging lenses have another important scenario application, helping to identify whether there are living things in the blind spot of the vehicle to ensure driving safety. The blind spot of a vehicle is the area where the driver is in a normal driving position and his vision is blocked by the vehicle body and cannot be directly observed. Once entering the blind spot of a vehicle, pedestrians and non-motor vehicles can easily be swallowed at the moment the vehicle starts or turns, causing irreversible tragedy. The onboard infrared thermal imaging lens can detect this hidden danger in time and avoid such dangerous situations.